Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall American Express app and update device settings. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, locate the American Express app on your device's home screen. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select Remove App or Uninstall. Confirm your choice to uninstall the app. Once the app is uninstalled, go to your device's settings. Open the Settings app from your home screen. Scroll down and find Apps or Applications. Tap on Apps to view a list of look for American Express in the list. Select the app if it still appears, and tap on Storage. Choose Clear Cache and Clear Data if available. Return to the main Settings menu. Now, scroll down to Privacy or Security Settings. Check for any permissions related to the American Express app. Ensure those permissions are revoked if still listed. Now, restart your device for the changes to take effect. Once the device restarts, check for any updates. Go back to Settings and choose Software Update. Select Download and Install if any updates are available. After the update, your device settings are now refreshed. You have successfully uninstalled the American Express app and updated your device settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.